So I wrote this while I was in prison, still waiting, for somebody to help this victim of trafficking here, and I wanted to read this. The feminine aspect of spirituality. The feminine aspect of spirituality plays a leading role in the administration of justice, which is a pruning tool in the construction of morality in the family, community, and the country as a whole. Firstly, understanding the quality of the feminine aspect of ourselves is extremely important. All living beings have a masculine and feminine side to themselves. Our culture in America has shunned, shamed, belittled, and held back the feminine. Teaching boys not to cry, teaching them not to be affectionate, training the women are just to be a caretaker and a servant to the male. I believe the societal training of the unimportance of the feminine in America has led to our justice system failures, as well as to the gender and relationship chaos that is destroying our family union, sexual relationships, and our country from the inside out. The different male and female aspects of the human mind, body, and soul carry differing traits, producing various frequencies when operating in these areas. Furthermore, each variable has a polar opposite on the line of creation and destruction. So imagine not only a pendulum swinging back and forth when operating an emotional frequency, but also a circular layer of energy output and input that is controlled by internal reasoning for acting that emotion and fueled by external energies being put out by the frequency field around us in constant fluctuation. So not just in 2 degrees, but more like 2 degrees within a spherical aspect of constant energy movement that will always come to a full completion at each cycle. All destruction comes from creation. All creation leads to an ultimate destruction to give way to heightened enlightenment, illumination, and evolution of the species. So in a civilization that lacks the balance between masculine and feminine, and furthermore devalues one or the other, then a destructive force begins. Operating in the frequency will result in degradation of the human population, creating lower intellect, more vile behavior, more aggression, and many other destructive forces, all the way down to the genetic abnormalities, creating changes in our genome structure and causing diseases like cancer from a molecular basis, even playing a role in the mutation of diseases. With this idea in mind, truly, if we could change the frequencies we operate in and understand the importance of both, then we could evolve our genetic structure and possibly evolve human thinking. Peace.